Good morning, student. I am S.K. Misra, teacher of maths in DAV Grade. Today I am going to start the chapter linear equation in two variables. So linear equation means equation having degree 1. We know very well the general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, because it is the equation, so it shows equality here equal to 0, where a b c all are real numbers and ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called then equation in x and y, because it has two variables x and y, because question is, chapter is linear equation in two variables. There are two variables. So now we want to find its slope. What is slope? So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then by is equal to obviously minus ax minus c, and y is equal to then minus a by bx and minus c by b. So taking minus a by b as m and x plus c. This one is c. So where m is minus a by b and c is minus c by b. So y is equal to mx plus c, where m is called slope of the equation. M is called slope of the equation. So here slope of this equation is minus a by b. The graph of y is equal to mx plus c is always a line, and m is called the slope of this line. Just like if we want to find the slope of the line 2x plus 3y minus 4. So here, to 2x minus 3 plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So 3y is equal to obviously minus 2x plus 4, or y is equal to then minus 2 by 3x plus 4 by 3. So is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to minus 2 by 3, slope of the line. Slope of the line. And c is here 4 by 3 constant. C is 4 by 3. A graph of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Method: express y in terms of x. Either x in terms of y or y in terms of x. First we write y in terms of x. Choose at least two convenient values, because we cannot find the values of two variables by one equation. We can only compare the values. So choose at least two convenient values of x and find the corresponding values of y which satisfying the given equation. Write down these value of x and y in the form of a table. Plot the ordered pairs xy from the table on graph paper. Join these points by a straight line and extend it in both the directions. Draw the graph of equation 2x minus y plus 3. Using the graph, find the values of y when x is equal to minus 2. So 2x, here 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Then 2x plus 3 is equal to 1. To form a table and write any two values of x and corresponding values of y. If x is equal to 0, then 2 into 0 plus 3 is equal to y, or y is equal to 3. So if x is 0, y is 3. Here we are taking the value of x as 0, then its corresponding values is of y is 3, and this value of this value y equal to 3 also satisfy this equation, because if 2x minus y plus 3 0, if x is 0, then minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and minus y is equal to minus 3, or y is equal to 3. So this value of y also satisfy the equation. Second, if x is taken 1, then 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to y, or 2 plus 3 is equal to y, or y is equal to 5. If x is 1, then y is 5. Now we plot the we take the ordered pair of x and y on this graph paper. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Calibrated to 1, 2, 3. This is origin. On right side, positive values are taken. On the left side of along x-axis is taken negative. Along y-axis, upper portion taken positive values, shows positive values, and lower portion shows negative values. So here x is 0, then y is 3. This point is A, 0, 3. Second point, x is 1, to y is 5. Y is 5 here. This is B, 1, 5. Now join the line AB and produced on both directions. This graph shows this is the graph of equation 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Also the values, if x is minus 2, the x is minus 2. If x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 3, minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Maybe this line is here, shows the values of y also. Now draw the graph of the equation y is equal to 2x. From your graph, find the values of x when y is minus 2. So y is equal to 2x. Plot, make a table x and y. If x is 0, then y also be 0, because y is equal to 2 into 0 means 0. If x is 1, y is equal to 2 into 1 means 2. If x is 1, then y is 2. Now taking ordered pair of x and y on graph paper. X-axis, y-axis. X 0, then y 0. This is point AB. Point A 0, 0. When x is 1, to y is 2. Here is point, and then draw the graph. Join AB 1, 2 and produced on both direction. If y is minus 2, then what is its value? Y is minus 2, then 2x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1. It means x is minus 1 when y is minus 2, so x is x1 minus 2. This is the point on this line and line graph of equation y is equal to 2x. And rupees 12 per kilometer for subsequent distance covered, taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare y. To write a linear equation. So total fare is y and x shows the distance travelled by the person. So for first kilometer, person invest rupees 20. So 1 kilometer is already covered. Now remaining distance is x minus 1 and rate per kilometer of the remaining distance is 12. So it is multiplied by 12 because y is the total fare. So then 20 plus 12x minus 12, and then it is equal to 12x plus 8. If we want to plot the graph, so here we make a table. XY. Here negative because distance cannot be taken negative, so always we take the positive value. If x is 1, then y is 20. No. If x is 1, so y is equal to 12 into 1 plus 8, that is 20. If x is 2, if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 12 into 2 plus 8, to 24 plus 8 means 32. 32. Now draw the graph. Here points are not taken, just 20. You can draw it. We can draw it by with the help of graph paper. There are two scales of measuring temperature, namely Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. The relation between the two scales is given by 9 by F is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. F is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. Here F is equal to 9 by, if C is taken 0, C is taken 0, then 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32, then C is equal to, F is equal to 32. If C is 0, then F is 32. If C is taken minus 10, if C is taken, C is equal to minus 10, then F is equal to 9 by 5 minus 10 up plus 32, minus 18 plus 32 means 14, then F is 14, sorry. If C is taken minus 15, similarly 5 3 is minus 3 into 9, minus 27 plus 32, 5. So here horizontal axis shows Celsius temperature, degree Celsius, and vertical line shows degree of Fahrenheit scale. So if here we take these 2 points, we have ordered pair of C and F. If C is minus 10, C is minus 10, C is minus 10, then Y is 40, X is Fahrenheit is 14. So 14 means here this point 14. So this shows minus 10, 14. Second, if C is minus 15, then Y is 5. Y is 5. Here minus 15, 5 and join. This one is A, this one is B. Join AB and produced on both sides. This is the graph of F is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. Thank you, children. You can draw many graphs which is given in your book with the help of graph paper. This one is plain sheet, so it is not easy to draw a graph, but just like we show how to draw a graph. Thank you, children.